Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat, and we are going to discuss most repeated and important question of the chapter Vector, that is the last chapter of the second year Karachi board as well as the federal board. So here we have selected most repeated question and the important question from the chapter, that is vector. So here two vectors are given, that is u is equals to 2i minus 6j plus 3k and v is equals to 2i plus 2j minus 2k, and we have to find out the cos theta or cos u comma v. So here we know that the cos theta, we can write down cos theta or cos u comma v, the same thing here. So this is cos theta. We have the formula here, the dot product of two vectors and divided by the modulus of two vectors. This is u and v. That means if we have to find out the cos theta, we have the formula for cos theta, the dot product of the two vectors and divided by the product of the modulus of two vectors here. So that means first we have to find out the dot product of two vectors, then their moduli, and we have to put these values here. We will get the value of cos theta here. So here first we have to find out the dot product. So the vector u, that is the dot product of I plus 2j minus 3k. So this is the dot product here. Dot product, the coefficient of I multiplied by with the coefficient of I. So this is 2 multiplied by 1. The product of I component and the product of j component and the product of k component. So minus 6 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by minus 2. This is the procedure to find out the dot product here, because I dot I it is equals to 1, j dot j is equals to 1 and k dot k is equals to 1, and if we have a different components there, then their dot product will be equal to 0, that is I dot j, it is equal to 0. So when we have to find out the dot product of two vectors, so just we have to multiply the coefficient of the same components there, that is I multiplied by I coefficient, j multiplied by j coefficient and k multiplied by k coefficient. Remaining product will be equal to 0. So this is the procedure to find out the dot product of two vectors here. So this is 2 1s are 2, minus 6 2s are 12, minus 3 2s are 6. So this is minus 18 and minus 16. So the dot product of these two vectors is minus 16. Now we have to find out the modulus of u and the modulus of v one by one. So this is here modulus of u, that is u means 2i minus 6j and plus 3k. So first write down in the order pair, that is 2 minus 6 and 3. So this is u is equals to the modulus of vector u x square plus y square and plus z square. So this is u, that is x means 2, vy means minus 6 and z means 3 to the whole square. So this is the modulus of 2 2s are 4, 6 6 are 36, 3 3s are 9. So this is 49 and the radical of 49 is 7. So the modulus of 49 is, the modulus of u is 7. Now we have to find out the V, and the V is I plus 2j minus k. So first we have to write down in the order pair here, that is 1, 2 and minus 3. So again we have to find out the modulus here, that is x square, y square and z square. So this is u 1 square, 2 square and minus 3 square. Sorry, 2. This is not 3, this is 2. So here this is 1 plus 4 in the radical. So this is 9 and the radical 9 is 3. Now we are able to find out the cos theta or cos u comma v, that is the dot product of two vectors and the product of the modulus of two vectors. So this is the answer here, that is 7. The dot product of this minus 16, 7 multiplied by 3. So this is the cos theta minus 16 over 21. This is the cos theta here, and this is the answer of this question. So this is the procedure to find out the cos theta. When we have to find out the cos theta, that means we have to use the dot product there. Now come to the another important and most repeated question here of the same chapter. The vector A is given and the vector B is given, and we have to find out the sine A comma B. In the previous question we have to find out the cos u comma v, the name of the vector, whatever the vector is given. So here sine, first we are going to write down the formula here, that is modulus of A cross B divided by the modulus of A and the modulus of B. So that means first we have to find out the cross product, and then we have to find out its modulus here. So here A means first vector and B means the second vector. We have the formula here to find out the cross product. That means when we have to find out the sine, we have to find out the cross product. If we have to find out the cos theta, we have to find out the dot product there. Now we are going to write down the formula for cross product of two vectors I, j, k. Now the coefficient of the vector A, that is 2, 3, 4. That is 2, 3 and 4. And the another vector is B, that is 1, minus 1 and 1. This is the determinant of A cross B. A means the first vector, the coefficient of I, j, k, 2, 3, 4. And the B means the another vector, second vector, we have to write down their coefficient 1, minus 1 and 1. Now we have to expand this determinant from R1. R1, this is I. So we have to write down the first. So leave its row and its column here. So this is here, this is row and this is column. We have to leave this one. So the answer is 3, 4 minus 1. Leave row and column. So this is 3, 4 minus 1 and 1. Then minus, write down the j component here. Now we have to leave its column and its row. So this is 2, 4, 1 and 1. J exists in this column and in this row. So we have to leave this row and this column and write down the minor determinant there, that is 2, 1 and 4, 1. Now plus, minus and plus. write down the k here, leave this row and this column, this row and this column. So the remaining is 2, 3, 1 and -1. So this is A cross B, that is equals to I. Now we have to simplify these minor determinant here. So this 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3, minus 1 multiplied by 4, -4. Then J, 2 multiplied by 1 in the first position, 2 ones are 2, minus 4 ones are 4. Then K, 2 multiplied by -1, that is -2, and 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. So this is A cross B here. Minus minus plus, 3 plus 4 is 7. So this is J, this is minus. 2 minus 4 is -2, -5. So this is A cross B here, that is 7I minus minus plus 2J and minus plus minus 5K. So this is the A cross B. According to the formula, first we have to find out A cross B. This is the procedure to find out the cross of two vectors here, cross product. So A cross B we have to find out here, and now we have to find out its modulus. So we can write down this vector in order pair form, that is 7, 2, -5. So this is A cross B. Of the modulus here, that is x square plus y square plus z square. So this is A cross B, that means 7 square, 2 square and -5 square. So this is 7 square means 49, 2 square means 4, 5 square means 25. So this is A cross B, that is equals to 49, 25 and 4. So 9, 10, 14, 18, 4, 6 and 7, that is radical 78. This is the A cross B. Now we have to find out the modulus of A and then modulus of B. Now write down the A here, that is 2I plus 3J and plus 4K. So we can write down here, that is 2, 3, 4, and then we have to find out the modulus of A here, that is x square means 2 square, y square means 3 square and 4 square means z square means 4 square. So that is 2 square 4, 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. So 16 plus 4 20 plus 9 29. So the modulus of A is 29. This is the modulus of A. Now we have to find out the modulus of B here. Now again we have to write down, this is an order pair first. So this is the modulus of b, that is 1 square minus 1 square and plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, and the modulus of b is radical 3. Now we have already find out the modulus of a cross b, then modulus of a, and then modulus of b. And the formula is sine, we have to find out sine a comma b, that is equals to the cross product, modulus of the cross product of a cross b, and then the modulus of a into the modulus of b. So just we have to multiply the modulus of a cross b, that is the radical 78. Modulus of a is radical 29. Modulus of b is 3. So just we have to multiply 29 with 3. 9 3s are 27. That is 87. So this is a cross b, sine a comma b, that is 78 divided by radical 87. This is the value of sine a comma b. Dear students, we have discussed the most important and the most repeated question of the chapter vector. Please share it with your friends. If you like this video, subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.